Y'all can you just get into my hair? Like, I just took my wig off, so that's why I got this lioness fro. But it's the Khari Barbie Beauty hair oils for me. Like, guys. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video on one of my favorite ways to use the Khari Barbie Beauty Stimulating Growth Hair Oils. Now there's multiple ways to use it, but today I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment. I just took my wig off and took my braids out, so it's a great time to do it after like having braids or something like that, or before you wash your hair. Now guys, let's get into this hair growth, okay? Because my hair is popping. It is so thick. My hair is popping, guys. It's so thick. It's so long. It's so full. Let's get a back view. Let's get into it. Let's get into this. Let's get into this. First thing I'm gonna do is gonna open up my bottle, and it's really super easy. All you have to do is run it under some warm water for like a minute, okay? So shake it up really good. Turn on your warm water. I mean, you can put it in a boiling pot, but I don't do all that shit. And I'm literally just gonna run it under the water and let it warm up for a bit. You definitely wanna have a towel or a smock because you don't wanna get grease all over it. Hi. She's gonna get her hot oil treatment next. The first thing we're gonna do, separate my hair into 4 sections. And these parts don't have to be perfect. We're just doing a hot oil treatment. We're gonna wash this out, okay? So, 4 sections. I'm gonna take my bottle, and I'm using like what you would use to dye your hair. You can also purchase one of our $2 droppers and use the dropper, but you can get this from beauty supply stores. Bottle's nice and warm. Gonna shake it up and pour some in. Now, I'm just using the oil today, but a lot of times I'll do a deep conditioning treatment too. I'll throw in my favorite conditioner. I'll add like an avocado. I'll add some honey, mayonnaise, egg, whatever. And you can mix that up. But today I'm just doing the oils. So, I start with the perimeter. And especially because I just took off my wig, I really want to get the edges to make sure there's no glue left. This is a better idea before you put on makeup, but that's just not how today went, okay? So I'm going to go about a ½ inch sections and put these on my scalp. And then after the scalp, I'm gonna actually add it to my hair shaft. Then, once I get the whole section, I still like to take my dropper and just make sure I didn't miss any parts of my scalp. Okay. And then massage. Now, this is gonna really help to stimulate the growth. I'm gonna massage for 3 to 4 minutes each section. Massage the oil into your scalp, and it just feels really good too. So, and if you need to in between sections, reheat your oil so it can be warm. You don't want it hot, you don't want to burn yourself, but nice and warm. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat the same pattern on all 4 sections, and I will be back. Okay, now I'm gonna repeat the same pattern on all 4 sections, and I will be back when I am done for the next step. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I've done all 4 sections. Now, you're gonna take a shower cap, a plastic bag, or saran wrap. We black around here. Got a plastic bag for y'all. Okay. That's gonna lock in the heat and the moisture. Then a little trick I like to do is put a towel in the dryer so it gets hot, and while it's still warm, wrap your hair, well, your head in the towel. Keep some of that heat in, and then we're gonna let this stay on. We're gonna let this stay for 30 minutes. And we're gonna wash it out. Be back in 30. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have washed and conditioned my hair. I'm just gonna show you guys how healthy it looks now after my hot oil treatment. It is just popping. Combing through curly hair with the greatest of ease. No snags, no tangles. Look how shiny it is. Look at this, guys. It's just beautiful, healthy hair. And I try to do one of these hot oil treatments like every week now. And then in between treatments, I put oil on my scalp and my ends. Definitely, if you're a wig wearer, you want to put oil on your edges. Of course, not when you're laying your wig because it won't stick. But you want to make sure your edges stay nice and thick and healthy, okay? Healthy. Healthy. Shine. Look at that. Shine. Take some more of the Stimulating Growth formula. And you can use the baby formula too, especially if you have sensitive skin or anything like that. And I'm just gonna put some on my edges. Okay. Always on the edges. And do the other side. Oh, I need another bottle. I used almost the whole 4 ounces, guys, because my hair is so thick and long. There we go. Edges. There we go, voila. And now from here, you do style your hair how you want. If you want to wear it curly, you can add your curl products, diffuse it, air dry it. Right now I have absolutely nothing in my hair. It's just literally this healthy from my hot oil treatment. Look at that. There's not a single piece of product in my hair, and it's just so pretty. Of course, I have oil on my edges, so let's not be technical, but I didn't put anything in my hair after I rinsed it. Yeah, if you blow dry your hair, straighten your hair, braid it, wear it curly, now it's time to do your product. Now, what I do, if I straighten my hair, which I rarely do, guys, get into this lip. Get into this lip. I can't get over the lip. I just can't get over the lip. Again, my lip combo is from the Brown Lips Matter collection by Khari Barbie Beauty. I have John as the lip liner, Praline as the lip color, and I topped it off with Neapolitan ice cream from the Pearl Lips collection, available at kharibarbeauty.com. I can't get over it. So guys, I hardly ever straighten my hair, okay? I didn't straighten my hair at all for 3 years. And in the past, since then, I've straightened it maybe 3 times. So I'm trying to figure out, do I want to wear it curly or do I want to use my hot rollers? Guys, get into this healthy hair.